No, I tried everything. My gradient is not descending. I repeat, gradient is not descending.
Kill it with fire. Bagging is not binning and neither has anything to do with paper or plastic.
I never check for heteroskedasticity before running OLS.
This is not a confessional, but you should feel bad.
I have nightmares of maxent overflows. Where do those numbers just go?
Okay, there is no literal black box, so no, we cannot find it.
He figured it out.
It's like a little embarrassing to admit, but I discretized my continuous function and now my fiance won't talk to me.
This is the wrong helpline.
Yeah, I think it says it's a kernel task running.
So you tried turning it off and on again? Did that fix it? So your algorithm predicts housing prices in your neighborhood. Uh-huh, and you want to publish that as a paper. Yeah, I see. Revolutionize the face of AI. Oh, that's impressive. Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, thanks for calling, and we'll definitely get... Okay, yeah, thanks for calling. We'll definitely get the peer reviewers to contact you ASAP. Okay. Alright, nice. Welcome to the Data Height.
Heteroskedasticity. I never check for heteroskedasticity.